Fox 59's Russ McQuaid has been in Sullivan all weekend and is showing us tonight that residents spent their Sunday volunteering and picking through the debris that was their lives.
Neighbors tell me Shane Goodman died when the tornado lifted his modular home off that foundation Friday night. Those are Shane Goodman's vehicles in a field across the street from what was his home. Nobody knows where the house went.
I know they were just important to a lot of people in this community, and it's very difficult. You know, it's very difficult, even if you didn't know somebody very close, when you know they were part of your community and you knew they were friends and family to other ones, it makes it just all more difficult.
Also killed were a mother and adult son, Susan and Thomas Horton. On Sullivan's south side, a Huey helicopter that survived the Vietnam War era couldn't stand up to the tornado that exploded the VFW hall where it was perched just down the street. At Court and Illinois streets, you can't turn around and not see damage. Made even more apparent by the view from up above as 8 square blocks south of the city park were leveled. David Mason found his parents' wedding photo in the house where he opened a back window to look out as the tornado approached.
And all of a sudden, air started rushing in. I closed it and told my dog, "Let's go, Hoot." And about that time, my room just exploded. It threw me across the room. Luckily, I landed right by the doorway, and I just crawled out. My dog was right behind me.
A Southside food pantry where hungry people would go in times of need is a wreck, replaced by the Sullivan Civic Center, packed with more donated clothes and relief supplies that Mayor Clint Lamb says his city will ever need and doesn't have the space to store.
So many people are giving and they're wanting to bring in, and I don't want to sound unappreciative, but my gosh, we have truckloads and truckloads that have already come in, truckloads that are continuing to come in.
The mayor says if you choose to help, consider donating to the Sullivan Community Foundation, which will dole out cash to those who have lost everything. Mayor Lamb was on the phone to both FEMA and the White House today seeking disaster assistance. He does not yet have a dollar figure on the financial losses to his city. In Sullivan, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Russ, thank you. During an update